Disgraced former House Appropriations Chair and Party List Representative Zaldico's statements on threats to his life are the figment of his imagination. Even worse, his claim he never received any kickback torpedoes his claim of innocence, which his former peers in the House eschew. Armela Las Moras has more.
Several House party leaders joined forces today to defend President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez against the accusations made by former House Committee on Appropriations Chair Zaldico. According to House Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno, who is also the chairperson of the National Unity Party, the House majority remains solid in its support for the administration. He also said Co's statements are unbelievable, especially his claim about the alleged threats to his life.
Everybody knows naman that he worked very closely with Speaker Romualdez, para yung mga sinasabi niya ngayon na sinabihan siya na pababaril siya, na sinabihan siyang ganito, ganyan. Parang ako, personally, hindi ako naniniwala. For him to accuse anybody at this point in time, I think is very presumptuous. Kasi siya na nga yung pinaka-guilty dito. Diba? Siya yung nagtatago, hindi yung iba. Siya yung umiiwas ng mga tanong. We have to take all of this with a grain of salt. He's not credible, period.
Lawmakers likewise criticized Co's claims that he allegedly did not receive any kickbacks from anomalous projects. They said instead of spreading accusations, Co should simply return home and face the complaints against him.
Kung gusto niyang patunayan yan, kailangan umuwi siya kasi maraming inconsistencies sa kanyang mga statements.
It's so hard to argue with somebody who is talking crazy. Wala daw siyang natanggap or nakuha dito sa lahat ng mga projects na to. Di saan nanggaling yung mga eroplano? Saan nanggaling yung mga helicopter? Yung mga bahay niya sa Europe at kung saan-saan?
To me, it's clearly preposterous to say that you have not gained anything from that kind of transaction when in fact your asset speaks of the exact opposite of what you're claiming to be, no?
Romualdez, for his part, earlier insisted that he has a clear conscience. He believes the ICI, DOJ, and Ombudsman will address the issue properly and fairly, and he remains willing to cooperate with their investigations to ensure that the truth prevails. For now, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino reminds the public that Co should not be treated as a hero or a victim.
Malinaw na isa siya sa mga key players dito kasi Committee on Appropriations Chair at pinag-uusapan natin budget.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.